Hey YouTubers, what's going on? So it is super hot outside. I'm gonna keep on with the theme of Heat Wave 2019. It's July 21st and it's so hot outside. It's just climbing in temperature minute by minute. So what we're gonna do here is making some s'mores. I have some, it's like a little bag of chocolate chips, but they had a special edition s'mores and I grabbed it, and now we're gonna make s'mores. I took the graham crackers out and now we've got the little chocolate chips and marshmallows. So now we're gonna wait for these to melt. It shouldn't take much time at all. So we'll check back here in just a couple minutes. As you can see, there's already the moisture on the chocolate because the chocolate is already getting soft. And we're gonna have us a s'mores here in a minute because we like sweets. And what better than a s'mores for the summertime? We're cooking out here, so we may as well. Dangerously hot for my camera, but it's doing a good job right now. I just keep it in the air-conditioned house usually. Man, this chocolate is really melting, you guys. Look at that. It's squish. It's okay, I'm gonna be eating it. Look, it's like poop. It's like poop on my finger. Oh, marshmallow. Look how soft those marshmallows are. Those were like those marshmallows. Did you see it? Where's it at? Right there. It's really squishy. I can move it. But it's like the ones that you would have in your hot chocolate. Oh, the chocolate is melting so good. Look at all that chocolate on my fingers. That's how hot it is, you guys. You can make s'mores without a fire. We've got the fire in the sky. Fire in the sky. It smells like hot tires out here. We've got tires everywhere. Five vehicles, dollies, whatever else. We've got a lot of tires around here. So, look at that, you guys. We're gonna have us a s'mores, and it's gonna be phenomenal. They're not gonna be roasted, but who needs that? We decided not to use a microwave because we've got UV rays. How cool is that? S'mores in the sun. We just got done eating lunch, so this is our dessert. And I've got my other graham crackers there ready to go on top. It is just melting. And the plate's pretty warm already. I think that's going to be good. My camera is getting really hot. Just goes to show you, it's so hot out here. Yeah, that chocolate's nice and melted. I got us a s'mores. It's still squishing. it, you guys, so you can make a s'mores out here in the summer heat if that's what you want. Let's see how it tastes. Look, it's melted the chocolate's even coming through the little holes. That's good stuff. That's a delicious s'mores. I didn't expect it to really be that good. Not too shabby. Thanks, you guys. Stay cool in the sun.